We have Manchester Airport, Terminal 1, and waiting to board our plane to go to Dubai. Ta-da! It looks like this is our plane. Yeah, after a very long and busy boarding, we are now on the plane and we are moving, and we've got the safety instructions. You probably can hear more than me. And yeah, this is very nice. I quite like Emirates. Very nice plane, nice windows.
بمجرد استقرار الطائرة لمسارها الجوي سيكون زملائي جاهزين لمساعدتكم وضمان استمتاعكم بتجربة التميز الدائم.
First stop, Dubai, and I'll speak to you there. Hopefully we'll be able to see the palms, you know, I'm hoping to get some nice views.
Hello and welcome on board your Emirates flight today.
So we'll see how it goes.
This is your no-nonsense.
We are at Dubai International Airport. It's a really nice, massive airport, and yeah, we'll just have a couple hours to kill. We're going to wander around, have a look. Oh, there's a tuk-tuk there. That looks cute. Nice. Yeah, lots of nice shops, and we'll have a wander around, find our gate.
Which one?
We just got to see some nice views, you know, from the air. Airport is massive. It's just never ending. We've been walking for 30 minutes to our gate. Lovely palm trees. We'll get us some mocktail. We are having a drink and wine leaves, and the menu's a bit dark. We are in Hanoi, and this is our suite. It's a really nice hotel, very lovely people. We got given some juice on arrival. The toilet, somebody's in the toilet, so I'm not going to go and show you just yet. But it's yeah, it's a lovely room. Brilliant. Yeah, have some tea and coffee, and oh, it seems like we are undercover. Actually, not very lovely views, but the room is great. This is our views from the window. It's very hot, very, very hot. So we'll just wait until get in the shower. I need to put the aircon a little bit stronger actually. Yeah, I like it here. Right, so we need to get ready to go and explore. We've hardly slept really, but after being upgraded to business, you know, we really had a good flight. And this is the bathroom. Cute. And we're going to go straight in the shower because we're very sweaty. It's like humid, like nobody's business. Right, so I shall see you later outside. Weird cafe. It's for the hostess. We're just gonna leave our hostess as well. A little bit green, dirty too, but kind of cute.
There was descriptions on that.
That's the tomb house from one of his people. Killed lots of buffaloes for a party and then they forget about it.
Very common. The museum was built during the war and finished, completed in 1975, right after the war. And then they moved his body to body of Ho Chi Minh inside. But Ho Chi Minh, he died in 1969, so they had to keep his body up the mountain for 9 years of the mountain before they moved his body. So it's embalmed. Oh, something like mirror there. I know that's metal. Big flag there, and every day they would have they conduct the national anthem, put up the flag at 6 a.m. and at 8 p.m. they pull it down. They pull the flag down, fold it, and bring it inside. Those people from the army, so they're working here as a part of the national service.
Hello, we are in Hanoi and it's really quite hot. We have to stop every 5 minutes. We've been to the water puppet show. I really liked it. It was really funny. And then, on the way back to the hotel and to get some dinner, we just thought we'd just grab some drinks. And we are here. It's very quiet, but at least it's got some air conditioning to go, so I'd have some drinks there. And we're going to get some dinner soon. Bye bye. So we've come to a water park where all the locals come. It's a bit manic and it was very confusing to get the locals. I'll explain later. These are the views from the water park. So you got Hanoi from the other side of the lake. So you got some nice views from the slide. Now I'm not particularly a slide person, but here you go.
Cuối cùng đổ qua thua, đẩy ra khỏi không cho này thua. Nha, bạn nhân này đánh thắng, bắt tay nhau cái nào. Rồi. Rồi. Hiệp một, rơi vô xí. Thái Lan và Việt Nam chuẩn bị, bắt đầu. Một. Rồi. Quá, hay quá. Rồi, Huỳnh đánh lên. Đúng rồi, chuẩn đi. Rất đi rồi.
These are the street murals in Hanoi. The people having a barbie by the side of the road.
No, not. This is the person before. So where you can see the land into small pieces and had those for sale. Goodbye. Like rice field. Ocean Park 3, Ocean Park của Hưng Yên ấy. Nó chỉ cho nó đi một bữa và cho bạn sẽ thấy đi cái chuột thấy. Thực ra nó không thể nào đẹp hơn Park 3 được. Mà chỗ đây nó cũng ngoại thành nó đỡ bị.
We are in Halong Bay, so it was a bit manic, quite busy. We're in quite a small boat, and this is our room. And it's full of things. That's the toilet there, and this is what we're going to wake up to in the morning. Fancy. Yeah. And it's not bad for a boat. Nice. we got views. Good morning, Halong Bay. We just woke up to this. It was raining a minute ago, and then we're doing some Tai Chi class, something like that. But I think, you know, the deck is going to be wet, so we're going to skip that. I'm just gonna get ready to get some breakfast, and then we're supposed to go and see some cave, have some brunch, and head back. I am a little bit disappointed that it's raining again, that I can see lots of rubbish, and I must say that it's a beautiful scenery, but lots of rubbish. When we were kayaking yesterday, we literally went into a rubbish dump, which is disgusting. So I am surprised, because we're not allowed, you know, any bottles or anything like that, any plastic. But then, you know, the water was quite dirty, so beware. And we are now on the night train. Check this out. We've got 4 beds. 1, 2, 3, 4. We've got some food and some lovely flowers that are not real. And we're just going to watch a film. And yeah, hopefully we'll sleep. It's a little bit like, yeah, jerky, like it moves quite a bit, and it is raining out in Hanoi, so this is what happens, you know, end of July, and we're lucky to get away from Hanoi because apparently it's going to be raining for a week, and we are moving down, travelling down to Hue. That's our next destination, and I'll show you a little bit what's out there. That's the corridor, and yeah, the toilet's a bit grotty, so you can't really see much out there, just like, and especially with the rain. Yeah, there we go.